Hi guys, I just wanted to come on today and say thank you. I reached a milestone on this channel. Although I haven't been on the channel in a while, I am coming back. And it's a shame that I can't really share the milestone with you guys because of watchers in my life. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, visit my Estelle Creighton channel to find out more about my life and different things with family that has happened and still trying to happen. But God is good. He has his protection around me. I feel good. The depression is not bothering me. And I haven't really done any arts and crafts in a while. But because of the protection, I feel good. I'm looking good too. And I just wanted to say thank you guys. And I will be back very soon with more creations. I miss doing my arts and crafts. I miss it. It's like, it's part of my life. I've had to move away from my past roommate who was becoming very toxic. Even when I moved, she became angry, upset. Guess what? Not my problem. Because you're toxic and you think that you had me in a position to use me. No, honey, not me. You shouldn't get upset, angry, and mad. But when you're toxic and when you're a user, that's what you do. You want to deflect your issues on the other person and try to put it on them. That doesn't work with me, as she found out. It does not work with me. She found out the hard way. But hey, life goes on. I'm not going to let anybody trap or enslave me no more than they would like me to trap and enslave them. I wanted my own place. I still don't have my own place, but guess what? I have peace. I have peace from her. I have peace from my mom. I have peace from my sister. I have peace from ex so-called friends. It feels good to have peace. If you don't have that peace, cut people off. Why are you going to continue to allow toxic people to stay in your life? They're toxic. Let them be in their own toxic environment. I did. But I thank you guys for the milestone. And maybe in the future, I can share that milestone with you. But I will be coming back very soon for more crafts. I'm hoping within very soon. Be blessed.
If you want the best of my heart.